Hello, and welcome to EnginZyme. We are a leading Swedish synthetic biology company, and we've developed a platform that replaces traditional production of chemicals by a sustainable alternative that uses enzymes. By eliminating the complexities of currently available biomanufacturing technologies, our platform enables processes that are both economical and sustainable. Here's our CEO and co-founder Karim to further explain what we've set out to do.
By the year 2050, the chemical industry needs to reduce its emissions by 8 times. This huge problem we are setting out to solve. We do this by replacing the metal catalysts in the industry today with enzymes. This enables the industry to reach the 4 times production volumes that it has today, and at the same time reduce emissions by half. This will also enable to solve the 3 problems of the industry, being enabling bio-based starting materials, reducing energy demands drastically, and reducing the waste emissions. Here comes the science part. Concentrate. Chemical industry makes cheap processes by using the metal catalysts for months. They are bound to particles and thereby enable their reuse in chemical reactors in the factories. We do the exact same thing with enzymes. We bind the enzymes to particles and enable their use for months. This gives you a broad applicability, a low cost of production, a predictable scale-up, and short development times. These 4 things are the key traits that enable EnginZyme to transform the chemical industry. We enable chemical processes to be both more sustainable and more efficient at the same time. This is not a compromise. Therefore, we partner with Fortune 500 companies globally, where it is clear to everyone involved that our solution is in fact solving the key issues they have at hand today. EnginZyme relies on a strong technology base, with global patents. We collaborate with universities across Europe and the world. We attract talent from all these places to come and work with us and provide the full service platform that our customers and partners rely upon. EnginZyme will help produce all the products you see around you and use in every second of your life in a more sustainable way. We will become the front runner of cell-free synthetic biology and create new jobs in Europe.